have you done the trivia yet?
Oh, this? No, I haven't really even looked at it.
Alright. What are the names of Merida's triplet brothers?
I have no idea. Do you even know who Merida is?
Brave?
Yes, good job.
Never seen it.
I think I've seen it once.
Oh, the answers are hidden all over the place. Oh my goodness, this is the worst. Alright, guys. Like, literally, I just broke it.
You did, and he's busy spending all of this time opening the one that I opened yesterday.
Shh.
How about you find
What's
the
today?
5?
Fifth?
Today's the 5th? Today's the 5th.
Who is this?
Yeah.
This is Cinderella?
That is Cinderella.
Alright. We need to have a talking to with the people who designed this. This is absolutely impossible to open. Like, look, I am no Hulk, but I lift.
I married him for his strength, you know.
This is
For real, though.
utterly ridiculous.
If he can't do it, there was no chance for me.
Well,
I haven't seen them yet. One bad apple. Oh, how funny!
so not actually
Not
a Disney
actually a princess, but poison apple socks. Cute.
Kind of.
Kind of. You don't approve?
I don't approve because it's framed as Disney princess. If it was framed as Disney socks, then that'd be fine.
Oh, okay, that's fair.
This is more Disney weapon socks.
Disney, yes. It is. It's part of the Snow White plot, but
There you go.
how many pairs of socks with princess faces do a 32-year-old actually need? So,
Question. Is this intended for a 32-year-old?
I actually have no idea. Here is my lunch. This is 1 1/4 cup of the Trader Joe's organic creamy tomato soup, which is 3 points plus, and then I have 1 ounce of the light Trader Joe's mozzarella in there, which is 1 point plus. So we've got 4 points total. I also have 1 serving of nutritional yeast in there, which is 0 points plus. So we're still at 4 points total. For my lunch, I just felt the need for this comfort food today, and I'm really excited about it. Ladies and gents, it's time for today's advent calendar, and I always do this. I mean, you don't know what time it is, but I always end up doing this right after I eat lunch, because that's when I need just a little something something sweet. And the advent calendar, today's the 5th, right? Yeah, that was the 5. Is the perfect little morsel of delicious. So this is our guy today. Milk chocolate something or other. Let's see what you are. Ooh, it is a cappuccino truffle. All right. Gosh, these are so good. And you want to know what's awesome? So my cleaning lady came today. And it's the last time I was going to see her before we leave for Florida. And she brought me this as a gift, which was completely unnecessary. She hasn't even been cleaning my house that long. But so sweet. Same brand. Aldi box of truffles. And you know what? I'm enjoying this advent calendar so much that this might as well be a box of Godiva truffles. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I have the sweetest cleaning lady ever. Seriously. So, there's that. Finishing this. Alright. Where's the number 5 on the tea calendar? There it is! Ugh. My fingers and I do not do advent calendars really well. Not made for people with disabilities. Tell you what, although nothing quite compares to that sock calendar. This is a very, very dark tea. This is cream of Earl Grey. I don't know if I like Earl Grey tea. I got this in a sachet too, and I haven't used it yet. This is like very tea flavored tea, right? So how do I make this if I don't think I like tea flavored tea? Oh my gosh, it's high caffeine. High caffeine. Well, that gives it a little bit more potential. Anyway, here is today's tea. And you saw today's delicious chocolate. And you saw the socks a little bit earlier. Very good. Oh, hey there, friends. I thought maybe it might be nice if I showed my face today. It is currently 3:35 p.m. and oh my goodness, have I had a day. The cleaning ladies were here bright and early this morning, and as you saw the little giftie she gave me of chocolate, which was super sweet of her, no pun intended. So I got up this morning, was working on Vlogmas, like getting the video to upload today. uploaded, and then I had to tidy up so they could actually do their job and clean, and now the house looks fabulous, and I was able to get work done while they were doing that, which is just such a blessing. And that was the last time I was going to see them this calendar year, because we are going to Florida, and then we don't actually know when we're coming back from Florida, so all of that stuff is up in the air. And so I just told her, you know what, let this be the last day for the year, just to give the house one more solid cleaning, and then we'll make sure we leave it tidy when we go, and then I will text her in 2019 and we will go from there. So it was just nice to kind of get the house all clean. And as you can see, I am actually like dolled up for a change, and that's a rarity on Vlogmas, isn't it? And I am going to be headed out to Aurora real soon, Aurora, Illinois, which is where my sister lives, and it also happens to be where an Epic Theater is. And my sister bought season's tickets to the theater, but her husband does not like to go to the theater, so her music theater major sister gets to go with her, which is awesome. And tonight we are seeing Wizard of Oz, which is fabulous for a couple of reasons. First reason, I love me some Wizard of Oz, and I love me some Wicked, as you guys know. If you don't know that about me by now, hi, I'm Brianna, nice to meet you, because, hello. And sorry, I can't decide what's comfortable for me to hold right now. Oh, I'm totally losing my train of thought. So after the cleaning ladies came, I hustled my butt over to Pilates, where I got my butt kicked at Pilates. Pilates is so good for me. I don't know what has taken me so long to do it. I'm going to hurt so bad tomorrow, I think. But it's so good for me that I need to keep doing it. Anyway, so then after Pilates, I hurried home, made some lunch, painted my nails because I was going to be doing some filming and I have a party this weekend and blah, 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 all these excuses you don't actually care about. And then I sat down to film my FabFitFun box unboxing because you guys said you actually wanted to see the FabFitFun unboxing. And now I have to eat something and go out to my sister's house because we are seeing The Wizard of Oz, which is exciting for two reasons. Look at that, I finally got back to the circle here. I love Wizard of Oz, I love Wicked, all that jazz. Two, my sister and I know the girl who's playing Dorothy. This is a professional, like, paid gig, like when the actors are in these shows, this is their full-time job. And I know the girl who is Dorothy, which is so cool. When I saw her announcement on Facebook that she's playing Dorothy in this show, I was like, oh my gosh, that's awesome. And I used to do theater with this kid all through college. She's, I don't know how much younger than me. She's grown up now, but she's a handful of years younger than I am, and living my dream. I'm a little bit jealous, I'm not gonna lie, but it's super cool to be able to go to this show that I was already planning on going to anyway with my sister from months ago. She bought her tickets ages ago, and I happen to know the lead. How cool is that? So I will be on the road real soon. Gotta figure out what to eat for dinner. Life. Hey, lazy bones. This dog has been laying here since the cleaning ladies left at almost 10 o'clock this morning. It is 3:35 in the afternoon. Gracie, are you gonna get up today? Because you know what's gonna happen, don't you? Yes, I can tell you exactly what's gonna go down. I'm gonna leave, Daddy's gonna come home, and you're going to decide at 10 p.m. that you have more energy than any of us are gonna know what to do with, aren't you? Because that's just how you roll. Gracie, look at me. Here is today's giveaway prize, you guys. This is the Erin Condren Winter Seasonal Surprise Box. Ba 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 ba. Every day is a fresh start. The box is beautiful. Let's take out the paper goods and see what's inside. Now, naturally, as I always do, this one is mine. The one I have opened is mine, but I ordered an extra one, and it's sitting over there, waiting for me to put an address sticker on it and give it to you. So today's giveaway prize is this box. First, the last thing I need in my life is another coffee mug, but I love that I now have an Erin Condren coffee mug. How cute is this? Oh, look! That might be my favorite part of the whole mug. How adorable. So you get your very own EC coffee mug. This, I think, is probably a candle. Balanced blend of grapefruit, raspberries, and ginger. Yum. Trim the wick. Yes, it's a candle. All right, an Erin Condren candle in a tin and a mug. And then we get jumbo paper clips. It looks like there's 4 of them in here. Excellent. Lovely. We get Metallic markers. Yes, gold and silver metallic markers. Super cute. Ooh. Jot your thought, lined pages. Guys, this is gorgeous. How's this for a notebook to start your new year? 1 year equals 365 opportunities. That's so pretty. I'm trying to get it out of the light and it's not working. Wow. I love that. That's gonna be a great journal to start the new year. We got stickers. This light is killing me. Oh, there's more. Beautiful. New year feels. What feels like the end is often the beginning. She has a fire in her soul and grace in her heart. May we all live like that quote, ladies and gentlemen. And then, what else we got? Looks like we got some gift labels. Oh, these are so cute. Handmade with love and to and from labels. So pretty. All right, let me confirm that that's everything. Your giveaway contains the following. The metallic markers, which are a sneaky peek. The candle, which is an exclusive to the box and available in their stores only. 2 sticker sheets, which are exclusive to the box. Metallic paper clips, which are a sneak peek. The mug, which is an exclusive to the box or to the store. The petite journal might be my favorite part of this, which is an exclusive, so you have to win the box in order, or get the box to get your hands on one of those. And the holiday gift label set is also an exclusive. How cool. Exclusive items only available in the 2018 winter seasonal surprise box and at EC retail locations. So there you go, my friends. This is the giveaway prize for the day. The labels, the journal. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about that. The stickers, the paper clips, the mug, the candle. All of the rules and regulations are the same as every other giveaway you've seen thus far. You must be 18 years or older to enter. This one, I think I'm going to have to reserve to the US and Canada simply because I'm afraid to ship breakable items overseas, if I'm being completely honest. So I think this one will be open to US and Canada only. And all of the Rafflecopter widget you need will be down below. Go click that link. You will not be entered unless you go over to that link. So there you go. Today's giveaway prize is the Winter 2018 Seasonal Surprise Box from Erin Condren. Happy entering. I'm home. It is 12:05 a.m. and I've just imported all the footage and put the video together, and this is just my little closer. We went to the show. Driving out to where my sister lives is a pain in the neck, and I tell her that every single time I drive out there, which is not often. This is typically an hour drive when things go well. I'm pretty sure I was in the car for an hour and 40 minutes. Yeah. It was awesome. Standstill traffic most of the way. You know how it goes. So that put me in a real good mood. But, I mean, it was fine. We saw the show. The show was magnificent. Guys, if you are in the area and you haven't seen a show at Paramount Theater, it is quality. It's truly quality. And the sets and the lights are phenomenal. I mean, the talent is great too, but just like, as a theater person, I not only have an appreciation for the acting and the singing, because that's the kind of stuff that I do, but I have a huge appreciation for all of the work that goes into creating the scenes, creating the costumes, and having the complete vision of this show and all of the tech elements at Paramount. I've seen 2 shows there so far this season. Legally Blonde and Wizard of Oz was tonight. And the tech aspect of these shows at Paramount are amazing. They're just such high quality productions. I'm not entirely sure what ticket prices are normally. I know they're a lot cheaper than downtown Chicago, so that would be a reason to drive all the way out to Aurora. But my sister, I guess, got season ticket, which is 4 shows for, was it 180? 120. I'm paying her $30 a ticket for like 4th row. Yes, a little off to the side, but that's okay. Like, I can see faces. And it's really good for 30 bucks. It's really, truly good. There are community theater shows around here that charge $30 a ticket that I would not pay $30 to go see. I would pay twice as much money to go see these shows at Paramount. And yeah, worth it. So if you are at all in remotely my area and Aurora is not too much of a stretch for you and you like theater, this might be worth checking out. The next show that they are doing is The Producers, which I'm really excited about. And then the final show of the season is August Rush, which I guess they made a movie out of the musical, or a musical out of the movie August Rush, about that little boy and something about music. I don't know. I saw it once when it came out years ago, but apparently it's a musical now. Anyway, all that to say, we thoroughly enjoyed the show. And in the middle of the intermission, like I said, we knew who the lead was. And I posted a Facebook photo on my personal Facebook and saying how my sister and I were busy reminiscing on how we did this show with the theater company 11 years ago, and that's the same company where I met this girl. And we were just we were all, not me and the girl who played Dorothy, but like the group as a whole, we were so close. It was a family. It really was. And that summer was a good summer. And my sister looked at me and went, that was 11 years ago we did this show. 11 years. I was like, holy crap. That was so much time. So we spent the whole first act like completely reminiscing on our experience doing this exact same show word for word. And so I posted about it and then I tagged her and I was like, oh, we're sitting here reminiscing. And it's really cool because we're actually watching a fellow Footlighter play the lead in this production. And then I tagged her in it because we're Facebook friends. And she responded a couple minutes later during the intermission. She's like, oh my gosh, you're here? I have to see you guys. So we stayed behind afterwards and we went and saw her, which was really cool to talk to her for a little bit. And I looked at her and I was like, so we established that we did this show 11 years ago. How old are you? And she's like, I'm 22. She was 11 when I did this show with her. And this girl, and she's like, yeah, I vaguely remember doing Wizard of Oz. I was only in the one Munchkin scene and that was it because we had like 30 kids in that production for that one scene. It was ridiculous. And I never really had to interact with the kids because I was in the adult ensemble. My mom, however, was Glinda and she had to interact with the children every single day, which was chaos. But so apparently our little Dorothy that we saw today was a little itty bitty munchkin, and this girl is not, she's wildly talented. I want to be so completely jealous of her because she's literally a professional actress doing what I wish I was doing. But she's really talented. She did such a good job. So it was really cool to catch up with her for just a couple minutes, say hi, like we're not close or anything, but we're Facebook acquaintances and we went through this experience together. So we chatted a little bit about, I asked her about stuff behind the scenes and the dogs specifically because you guys know I'm an animal lover, so I was obsessed with the Totos, obsessed with them. And so I was asking her what it was like to work with them. And yeah, so we did that and then I drove home, to which my husband was watching hockey and I didn't get home until like just after 11 I think, or just before 11. Had a snack and my husband's like, I'm tired, I'm going to bed, can you please go out there if you're not going to be going to bed yet? And I looked at him and I was like, this is the kind of stuff that I wish you would do every night that I'm home and I want to go to bed and you decide to stay up and then be the reason that I can't fall asleep. And the one night that I'm not home is the night you go to bed at a decent hour. Come on. Meanwhile, I'm sitting here and it is now 12:11. Show adrenaline. I might have consumed a little bit of caffeine too late in the day, my mistake. But it is what it is. So anyway, now that I've been rambling on for 6 minutes, I am going to go and finish this up and actually go to bed because tomorrow is another busy day. Oh my goodness, this is quite the week, my friends, quite the week. Anyway, you saw what my giveaway prize was this week, or today, this week. Wow, the brain is shutting down fast, guys, fast. You saw what the giveaway prize was. Make sure you hit up that Rafflecopter link down below to go ahead and enter. And remember, leaving a comment on this video is also a way to enter. You just have to tell the Rafflecopter widget that you did it. So everything is down below. As per usual, you guys know the drill by now, right? And that's everything. I will see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Thanks for tuning in and have a great night. Bye.